Good morning, students. As in my previous video, I have explained you as what is a presentation, what are slides, and how we can apply animation effects on various objects and text boxes. Now, students, we can also specify when an animation should be played by clicking on the drop down button of the start box. Here, after selecting any of the object on which you have applied an animation, you can click on here. This is the start box here, and you can see the three options are visible here. First is on click, with previous, and after previous. Now we are going to see what are the functions of these three options. Here on this slide I have written these three words, this on click, with previous, and after previous. These were the three options given there on the start box. So for this I have already applied animation on these three text boxes. Now we are going to see how we can specify when an animation should be played by clicking on the drop down button of the start box in the timing group. This is your timing group. Now we will see. This is not visible at this moment. Why? Because I have not selected any of the text box. Now on this, now we will see what is on click. Now as I have selected on click, this is visible. Now start, the option on click is being selected. Now children, with on click, to start an animation after a mouse click means your animation will only appear on the screen only after you have pressed your mouse button. Okay, now second one is with previous. As you can see, the second option here is with previous. Now what is its functionality is to start the animation at the same time as the previous animation effects in the list. Means as soon as this effect is about to end, means it is almost there in the activity, and as soon it is going to end, this animation is going to start, means with previous. So on this I've already selected on click, and for with previous I'm going to select the option with previous here. Okay. Now the third is after previous. After previous is to start the animation effect immediately after the previous effects in the list finishes. Means it will not start as this is going to it is working. It will only start as soon as this animation finishes. So means after your previous. So now I'm going to select after previous. So here I'll go to the start box and I will select after previous. Students, you can also specify or set the timings of the effects. Use duration box available in the timing group. It helps to change and control the speed of the animation effect. Likewise, you can set the delay time before the animation begins using the delay box. For this, I have used duration of 2 seconds and delay is 0.00. Now for this duration I have selected 0.10 and delay is 0.25. Okay, and for this I have selected duration for 02.00 and delay 0.0. Basically your duration will be for how long this animation will remain active, and your delay is basically after how much time you want this particular animation to be present on the screen. Now let us see the preview of all these three. See, as of now nothing is there on the screen. Why? Because for the first animation I have selected on click option. So now when I click on the mouse, it is there. As you can see, with previous and all click came together. Why? Because for both of them it was same timings, on click with previous. Means for on click we have selected on click option, and with previous we have selected, means with on click with previous should also be present. And after both of these animation went off, after previous came on the screen. You can see it again. I'll click, as it went, now the third came into the action. Thank you so much.